Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, leave a comment down below if you have any questions. But as always, let's jump right into it. So today's another part of my little Thinkscript where I'm giving tools away for free. And what this Thinkscript tool is auto trend lines, right? So depending on whatever time frame you're on, okay, it'll actually draw different trend lines for you, right? So you have a trend line here, you have a nice trend line here. If you want to go to a 15-20 day, it'll draw different trend lines here. So maybe this will be able to help you so you don't have to draw trend lines as much. They're already on your chart, right? So let's say you're day trading. Hey, look at this. We have a major trend line here. We keep touching it. Maybe if we come back up, look for a short at that level. Or if we come down, hey, maybe this 29.90 level might be a good buy support area because of this trend line. So this code actually writes the trend lines for you and shows you kind of where they are. So it's a good visual. If you want, you could go into studies, edit studies. Here's the code. I call it cool auto trend lines. I know it's crazy. I have different names, weird names for everything. But if you go here, you're able to kind of mess around with what you want to see, what you don't want to see. If you want to see reversals, it's different. Let's change this to like 10. If you want to do price high, low, however you want the closing price, things like that. So let's do 15, right? Let's change that to 15 and see if this actually changes. Yeah, so look at this. We change it to 15. Now we have a bigger trend line, right? So it goes back more bars. If I go to 5-day, 5-minute, oh, look at this. Massive falling wedge, right? Coming down, getting tighter and tighter. Maybe this breaks to the upside. Okay, so different time frames will give you different levels, but maybe look at this. Look at this. So if we rally and come up, maybe find resistance here. If we keep falling, find support level down here. So play around with it, go into the code, mess around with different time frames, see what works for you, what you like, how it works for you, and hopefully you guys find this Thinkscript code a little useful for your own trading. So as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Oh, one last thing, I will leave the link to this chart with the code in it down below in the description. So as always, thank you, and we'll talk to you soon.